Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your go-to channel for easy and powerful trading strategies that actually work. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a super profitable 1-minute binary trading strategy on pocket option using just two indicators, the Keltner Channel and the Vortex indicator. This strategy is based on a simple Vortex crossover, confirmed with the Keltner Channel touch, and works perfectly in zigzag markets across all trading sessions. I'll show you the indicator settings later in the video, so make sure you watch till the end to get the full setup. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this strategy is so easy to use and fun to apply, you'll love it. And it could boost your win rate too. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming profitable strategies. Quick disclaimer: binary options trading involves financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Always trade responsibly and never risk money you can't afford to lose. Now let's understand how this strategy works. When the white Vortex line crosses above the red line and the price touches the lower band of the Keltner Channel, take a buy trade with 1-minute expiry. And when the red Vortex line crosses above the white line and the price touches the upper band of the Keltner Channel, take a sell trade with 1-minute expiry. Use 30-second candles, and each trade should have a 1-minute expiry time. Important note: avoid using this strategy during high-impact news events. One thing to keep in mind: this strategy does not work well in trending markets. It works well in zigzag markets, so avoid trading in trending markets. Risk management tips: never trade with your emotions. Always use proper money management. Risk only 1% to 5% of your capital per trade. Don't ever risk more than 10% of your total account. Practice on a demo account first before you go live. Backtest this strategy using historical charts to build your confidence and improve your accuracy. And hey, don't forget to check the video description for full step-by-step instructions and bonus tips to make the most of this strategy. Now let's move on to the live trade example. Stay tuned, because this is where the real action begins. Let's go. As you can see here, the market was moving in a zigzag pattern, not a strong trend, which is perfect for this strategy. At this moment, the white Vortex line crossed above the red line, giving us our first confirmation for a buy trade. At the same time, the price touched the lower line of the Keltner Channel, which confirms that the price is at a possible reversal point. Both conditions are met, so we confidently entered a buy trade here with a 1-minute expiry. Notice how the price is also showing signs of a possible reversal with a smaller red or neutral candle, indicating buyers might be stepping in. Just a few seconds into the trade, the price started to move upward. The candles stayed above the lower Keltner band, and the white Vortex line continued to move above the red one, showing strong buying momentum. This confirms that our entry was correct, and the market is reacting as expected. And here it is. The trade closed in profit. The price moved nicely upward, well above our entry point. That's the power of using clear indicator signals with proper confirmation and timing. Remember, you don't need to overcomplicate your charts. Just follow these clear signals, manage your risk, and wait for the right setup like this. Take a look here. The price has touched the upper band of the Keltner Channel, which is our first important signal. Next, focus on the Vortex indicator below. The red line is crossing above the white line, and the crossover is clean and firm. This tells us that bearish momentum is picking up. With both confirmations aligned, upper Keltner touch plus red Vortex crossover, we confidently took a sell trade with 1-minute expiry. The candle also shows rejection from the top band, adding more strength to the bearish reversal. Within the next candle, the market reacts exactly as predicted. Price drops sharply and breaks down below the middle band. Our sell trade finishes deep in the money with a solid profit. This is the kind of clean and confident setup we want every time. No confusion, no second guessing, just clear confirmation and smart execution. This example also shows why it's so important to avoid entering early. We waited for the proper Vortex crossover and confirmation from the Keltner Channel, which gave us a high probability trade. By following the rules with patience and discipline, we increase our win rate and reduce emotional trading. As you can see here, the price has touched the upper line of the Keltner channel, which is our first confirmation for a possible reversal. Now look at the Vortex indicator below. The red line is crossing above the white line, which confirms bearish momentum is starting to build up. This is exactly what we're looking for. Both confirmations are present, upper band touch and Vortex crossover. So we took a sell trade here with 1 minute expiry. A few seconds into the trade, the price begins to hesitate, forming small indecisive candles. This is completely normal. The market often takes a moment to react, but we stay calm because our entry was based on a strong confirmation. This part tests your patience, and that's where confidence in your strategy is important. And there it is. The price drops smoothly, forming a strong bearish candle, and the trade closes deep in profit. That's another example of a high probability trade that worked exactly as planned. No guesswork, just simple rules followed step by step. At first look, the setup looks good. The price touches the upper band of the Keltner channel, which gives us our first sell signal, and below, the Vortex indicator shows the red line crossing above the white line, indicating that bearish momentum might be starting. So based on the strategy, we entered a sell trade with 1 minute expiry. However, there's something very important to notice here. The price is in an uptrend, and the market is trending strongly upward. You can clearly see multiple big bullish candles forming before this signal. In a trending market like this, the reversal signals from our strategy become less reliable. After we entered, the price did drop a little, but the momentum wasn't strong enough. The candles became smaller, and the Vortex lines started to flatten, which is a sign of weak or changing momentum. The market didn't follow through on the bearish signal, likely because the overall trend was still bullish. And as expected, the price continued to push upward after a short pullback, and the trade ended out of the money. This clearly shows why we always emphasize, do not trade this strategy during trending markets. It works best in sideways or zigzag markets, where price touches both upper and lower Keltner lines frequently. Key takeaway: even if the indicators show a valid crossover and band touch, you must always check the market structure first. If the market is trending strongly in one direction, skip the trade. No setup is worth the risk if the context isn't right. Now that you've seen the live examples, let's quickly go over the indicator settings so you can set up this strategy on your chart just like I did. Keltner channel settings, we'll start with the Keltner channel. This indicator helps us identify overbought and oversold conditions with channel lines. Under the Inputs tab, EMA period 12, ATR period 6, Multiplier 2. These settings give us smoother and more accurate channel lines to spot reversal points with more confidence. Vortex indicator. Settings. This indicator helps us identify trend direction and potential reversals by tracking the crossing of two lines. Under the Inputs tab, period 4. This short period gives quicker crossover signals, which is perfect for our 1 minute strategy. Under the Styles tab, set VI plus, white line, to 2 pixel thickness. Set VI minus, red line, to 2 pixel thickness. These thicker lines help you easily see when a crossover happens, which is the key signal for our trades. That's it. With these exact settings, you'll get the same chart view and signals I've used in the live trade examples. Alright traders, let's wrap up. As you've seen in the live trade examples, this Keltner channel plus Vortex indicator strategy is super simple to understand and powerful when used the right way. Entry is based on just 2 key confirmations: price touching the Keltner channel line, a clear crossover on the Vortex indicator. This strategy works best in zigzag markets, so avoid using it during strong trending conditions. Before taking any trade, take a quick look at the recent trend. If the market is trending sharply in one direction, it's better to wait or skip the trade. Patience always pays in trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. Comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover another indicator. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new strategy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay focused, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful trading setup. Happy trading!